Good afternoon, class. Since we've started the 12 days of school and we've already went through the lesson, um, what I did for you guys was I created a Quizlet flashcard set so that you can go back and review them. And so today we're going to go through those and we're going to review the days of the 12 days of school. Okay. And so only thing that you'll have to, and plus this is uploaded to our classroom website, so you can go back there anytime and review there's a link that you can click and it'll send you back to this website, and you'll be able to review this set of flashcards. So we're just going to go over them today. So for the first day of school, it is a lecture about how math is good for me. The second day of school is 2 tons of homework. The third day of school is 3 heavy textbooks. The fourth day of school is 4 math equations. The fifth day of school is no homework for the weekend. The sixth day of school is 6 geometry terms. The seventh day of school is 7 notes to my parents. The eighth day of school is 8 points to graph. The ninth day of school is 9 kids typing. The 10th day of school is 10 minutes of silence. The 11th day of school is 11 word problems. The 12th, you guys, the 12th day of school is 12 good luck stickers. So like I said, this is just a set. This is to help you guys study for, or not really study, but get more, be able to quiz yourself on the 12 days of school lesson that we just went over before your assessment. Once you are done with this, and this is the last step, this is just your study tool that you can use to do it. And if you're not comfortable and you don't haven't remembered the days of the 12 days of school, then you can always go back and flip back through them. And they're right there for your disposal. You can use whatever you want to do. If there's a certain day, like maybe day 7 is the one you don't remember, you can click on it and you can realize that it's 7 notes to my parents. But once you feel confident, once you feel like you're ready to move on, that you know all 12 days, you can go to our website, which I'm going to click on now, and you're going to go to the documents, which is on the left-hand side, and right here is going to say the 12 days of school assessment. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to answer the questions. First, make sure you put your name and the email address. That way I can go back in there and review the responses. And then we can go back the next day if there's any problems in if y'all don't remember it as well. We can go back and try a different method so that you can remember the 12 days of school. And there's just 5 questions to answer. I made it real quick and simple. There's a few that are multiple choice, and then there's a couple that is short answers, just putting the best answer that you have. And the last one is a multiple choice as well. And then once you submit it, I will be able to go back, and then tomorrow, after you've studied the flashcards on Quizlet, and then after you've done the assessment, tomorrow I will go over it and I'll review everyone's responses, and we will go through that again. So I hope this helps. You have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.